think together about the future, we need to be thinking not only about AI that can do one task at a time very, very well. We need to think about what happens when we have a new teammate on the team that has capabilities like that once the evidence begins to accumulate. We spend a lot of time developing evidence in Google. We published more than 150 papers in scientific journals about AI and health because the math is hard. It's important to get it right. We funded a randomized controlled trial of a breast cancer AI. So we definitely need the evidence. We also need the creativity that each of you have in this room to figure out what comes next now that the technology is caught up in, like, AI works now. And so we talked today about healthcare delivery, but I do want to leave you with the idea that it'll impact across sectors in health. So I'm old enough that I've seen miraculous discoveries that have changed diseases. I used to go to wards of patients with HIV as inpatients, and we would do LPs on 5 patients a day for increased intracranial pressure, and now it's a chronic disease. Hepatitis C can be cured for nearly everyone with a set of pills. It's a remarkable set of things that I believe that we'll have diseases that are lethal today that we will cure tomorrow. We'll reduce burden for clinicians. Any clinician who's ever practiced knows the burden of things that aren't taking care of the patient. We'll have a tutor for every learner. Think about what that means for health professional education broadly, not only for physicians, but for community health workers, for nursing, for physical therapists. We'll improve clinical care, and we will help the 4 billion people, the 4.5 billion people who don't have access to essential healthcare services, have access to expertise like normally you can only get at Yashoda, everywhere in the world. That's what I believe is in the future, and it's in our hands together. And so these are the 3 things that I had for you. AI and medicine intertwined from the beginning, 3 major epochs, and today's AI is different. Don't confuse it for the kind of AI that came before. Thank you.